Today's episode is about how to turn an ordinary product into an extraordinary experience. Today's product is the humble sandwich. Let's go inside. Come on. Today, me and my fellow capitalists will pick up some stuff to create an outstanding experience for our customers. We're gonna make sandwiches and we'll see later in our kitchen how this works out. Okay, let's get started. Welcome back to our Catalyst Kitchen here in Phoenix, Arizona. And please welcome my fellow catalysts, Uli and Brian. And we just bought these stupendous ingredients to create each of us a different sandwich here to turn something ordinary into something extraordinary. What's your idea of a sandwich?
Good. Well, I'm gonna make a classic European, Italian salami, olives and cheese.
Wow. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Brian, come on.
Hi, I'm gonna make a very healthy flatbread sandwich with some avocados, tomatoes, some spinach, and a bit of peppers to give it a little spice.
Wow.
How about yourself?
Well, for me, it's somehow, I try to do something light today.
Yeah, I can tell.
Something really light. I've got the little idea, I think it's the green stuff here is just deco, but I think we're gonna see something bold. Whenever I'm working with teams, I feel the passion for what they're doing. This belongs to successful teams. They are completely embracing their baby.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's true. You have to have the passion, and I think sometimes people don't think about going back to those basics, right? I mean, you have to go back to the things that really matter to you. Feeling comfort.
Being sheltered.
Yeah.
Being safe.
It's the safety of it, but making you feel at home. Product makes you feel at home, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So, for me, it's about triggering all the senses.
Yes, and see, it's about the colors. It's the texture that you feel when you bite into this thing. It's the experience that you have, and I think it's the same with the products that we build, right? They just have to scream at you, bite into me, and you love it.
Yeah, to trigger you somehow, somewhere you even don't know why you love it.
And it could be the colors, it could be the texture, it could be that secret ingredient where, I know what it is, but I can't figure it out, but I'm just hooked.
I think we should start to put salami into our digital products.
Yeah,
wouldn't it be nice?
Yes.
Yeah, good products really do appeal to all the senses. Something like this, you want to get a diversity too. You don't want the product to be all the same. We've got something really soft here. We got the tomato, but also the crispiness of the spinach. We got the peppers, and then there's going to be, something on top of it that really brings it all out.
You may think that my recipe, this way to design a product, is complex, but our business is super complex. And we have to take all the bits and pieces together and still create something that is outstanding.
In your first product, you may not get it right. And the first time I did this, I just dumped stuff all over this. Now, I just use this so I can just get it right in there.
Oh, this is not a problem. Absolutely not a problem. Oh, now it's a problem. Wow,
Look at these ingredients, see? High quality stuff. You can't fake a great cheese, you can't fake olives, you can't fake a great salami.
You think you're saving money by using cheap ingredients, but your customers will know.
Absolutely. They will know. Lobster. Steak. Lobster. Something green. No, just kidding. And this is what presentation is all about. Look what we have here. Brian.
Yeah, we have three really different products here. We've got Uli's, which You know, it's pretty basic. It's got some really basic, simple ingredients, but still looks great. Still looks like something that everybody would want to eat. Mine's a little bit more complicated, but it's still, you know, easy to do and easy to understand, easy to pick up.
I love it.
And yours is just, you know, super complex. Yeah, it takes a long time to make, but
it smells so good.
It smells so good, and it still looks fantastic. Now you have to think about that. I mean, your customers will be all different. They might want the simple. They might want some kind of intermediate, and some will really demand that complexity.
What do you have here?
Well, what I have here is a Lobster Sandwich JOURNEYMAN.
Oh,
It's
French.
basic ingredients. I think everybody could put this together.
And you?
Yeah,
Brian.
this one is the flatbread, and it's got the olive topping up, got tomatoes, that pepper giving it a little bit of crunch, just easy to pick up. Just want to bite into it.
Yeah, and this is simply something massive. This is a whole lot of meat, it's a whole lot of lobster, it's a whole lot of mayonnaise and aioli, and I think the whole room is smelling like barbecue.
It's an experience.
It's an experience. Let's taste it. And for this sandwich, we need support. David Morgan, our fellow catalyst. Good to have you here.
Our captain.
Our captain. Let's try this one.
Yeah.
Come on, grab one.
This is what you want your customer experience.
Yeah.
Steak, lobster, aioli, beautifully toasted bread, little pepper, in one bite, easily consumable,
Right.
and I will buy this all day long. Everything comes together.
So I think when it comes to product experience, you only have one shot. You gotta get it right.
Absolutely.
And look at this, I think we made it.
We made it.
We did it.
Cheers.
It's so
done, everyone.
good to have you on that show.
man.
Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the episode with my fellow catalysts. And today we've been talking about how to turn something ordinary from the grocery store into some extraordinary experience. Click on the provided button, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time at Servin Up Digital. Man,
Hey Kai,
yes,
I heard you were a submarine navigator earlier in life.
of course.
Well, it's time for the digital journeyman to go on a little aquatic journey.
What? Oh!
Yeah!
The problem. Yo!